Look who it is.
The following contest is a fatal four-way tag team match. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 456 pounds.
A matchup like this, it's one that the locker room has wanted to see. It's one that the WWE Universe has wanted to see. It's one that I've been waiting to see, and it's about to go down.
They are ready for a fight.
And their opponents, first at a combined weight of 411 pounds.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
Making their way to the ring at a combined weight of 499 pounds, Uncle Howdy and Karrion Kross.
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good. Here comes a tremendous third-generation luchador.
High-flying skill and unparalleled arrogance on display.
And representing Legado del Fantasma from Monterrey, Mexico, weighing in at 205 pounds, Angel!
A third-generation superstar, a former cruiserweight champion, and the biggest heartbreaker since HBK.
Yeah, a truly lethal Lothario. Best believe this Angel is gonna fly.
That was really good, Saxton. Deep thoughts there.
A promising high-flying talent.
A man who has finally found that aggression it takes to break through.
And representing Legado del Fantasma From Monterrey, Mexico, weighing in at 198 pounds, Humberto!
Well, we've seen Humberto finally discover his mean streak, in large part thanks to his cousin Angel.
I think Humberto's almost as handsome as Angel now, too.
Multiple teams facing off in this tornado tag match.
In a tornado tag situation, you never know how many...
We got it covered. And that was only a one.
He needs to deal more damage before trying that again.
Taking off from the ropes.
He's been placed in the corner now.
Headlock applied. Here we go.
You have to question what kind of... He goes for the quick pin. It's going to take more than that to keep him down.
Trying to make short order of things there. A no DQ stipulation means you have to throw your regular playbook out the window. It's not going to save you here. It's time to get extreme.
You make a good point, Corey. Everyday offense just isn't going to cut it in this kind of match. Another knee drop. He's turning the tables.
Breathtaking head scissor takedown.
He's looking for an implement of destruction under the ring. Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Every successive move was putting their opponent in a dicey situation. Oh, my gosh!
This match grinded him down a little.
Oh, my God!
Oh, my goodness. That was taking the attack to the competition with that one. And a heck of a DDT we just witnessed. So much torque on the knee and ankle.
Look at this. Trying to shatter the ankle. And again. Karrion Kross just toying with the crowd now, too.
Just rubbing salt in the wound now.
Big time knee rocks his opponent.
That's going to hurt.
Don't do it.
Stiff headlock.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That can be very costly. Wasn't what the risk was worth it.
And that was an effective attack, guys. Wrenches the arm. Drop jab. Beautiful.
Oh, my goodness. Ooh, man.
We are witnessing a malicious string of attacks right now.
Off the barricade. Spectacular athleticism.
Cranked around into a neck breaker. He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Inflicting more damage to the leg.
Doubly face buster.
And Karrion finds its mark.
Into the arm.
Sits straight into the barricade.
Shoulders down. No, 2 count.
What a match.
Into the ring now.
Holy, meet the barricade.
Kick to the gut.
Cranked around into a neck breaker.
He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Misses the mark.
Gets back in the barricade.
Reversal. Can they go on the attack?
He moves just in time.
Turning suplex. And a strong kick out in one.
Wow, I thought this was over. Man.
Nice takedown. The head I think he's got it locked in good. I just don't know how to counter this thing.
I don't want to see him tap out. Not like this.
Gotta find a way out of the sharpshooter. And does just that.
Suplex.
With the doomsday Saito.
Here's the cover for the win. No, he gets the shoulder up.
And you gotta think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time.
Kick to the abdomen. He climbs into the ring.
From behind.
Steiner.
Nice. Clothesline. Good grief. Great agility.
Big forearm.
Kross gets out of the way. Strong. Here's Karrion to the beginning of the end. The sharpshooter. He gets there a few seconds longer. And then his match will go over. Cover. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
Angel sees a lot of sweethearts out there now.
You think he'll give him his pass?
So close. That could have been it.
And now there's an opening.
Super kick, a double super kick. Belly suplex. This match about to fade to black. Kross jacket trying not to fade. Delivers a harsh elbow. He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd.
Good energy in the arena tonight. Hits the drop kick.
Schoolboy pinning combination. Oh, maybe not.
Vicious right forward. Hits him with the counter.
Torturous knee.
Double underhook applied. And well, some getting moved. We just saw that.
Kick to the gut. Sweep of the leg. Good counter. What a clothesline.
Ouch.
Right to the leg. This is just vicious.
I don't think it's vicious. He's looking a little worried now. Oh.
Clothesline.
Off with. Looking to lock it in. He breaks it up. I don't know how much longer his partner could have lasted. And Humberto finding himself in a less than ideal circumstance. There's a he can end it here. He's got him. Returning to the ring now.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
And he's able to fight Angel off.
A running home Colorado.
Beautiful. That one's scouted. Will it be? Finally, monumental victory.
These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Here are your winners, Uncle Howdy and Karrion Kross.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
We really saw what these competitors were made of here tonight.
Yeah, especially the winner.